thought I would do a little video on everything we are taking for Lucy. This is Lucy's travel bag. It's really nice. Do I think it will fit everything? Well, no, because it doesn't fit the food. The food is in this, but it will fit most things. Let's start. First of all, Lucy will have a backpack. We are going hiking. She might as well take stuff with her. Her water bowl can go in here. I also have a second water bowl. It's downstairs and I don't feel like getting it, so I'm just gonna put a photo right here. Here we have all her information on her diseases, her pet passport from France, and then also anytime we get the Bark Ranger stuff, it'll go in here as well. We have a little accident kit. It's got a little bit of everything. Here we have her base layer. Can go under jackets, or she can just wear it on its own. She gets really cold. Here's her rain jacket. Here is her jacket. I've decided we're not gonna take a winter jacket. It's not gonna be that cold in the places that we're going to go. So this jacket and the base layer should be enough. Anyway, let's pack this. Take some treats. What is this? And then her wetsuit. So here we have her life jacket. I don't know about this. It lights up, so this is good for nighttime. Here we have her little booties. These will be good if maybe for Utah, for example, if the ground is really hot, these will help. This. A little toy that can also go in the water. A bandana for fashion. Here we have a balm for her paws. Go. All her meds, I think I'm just gonna take the meds in their original bottles. A muzzle for when we're doing introductions. Here we have probiotics, because she has a very sensitive tummy. Here's her sleeping bag. I think everything else might fit except the sleeping bag. Well, this is gonna have to go separate because it does not fit. This is her food and this is not even enough for the whole 2 months. To make it easier for myself, I use these reusable silicone snack bags, and this is basically breakfast and dinner. This way I don't really have to take her supplements separately. I just put them in here. Everything's good to go. And then here I have dehydrated pumpkin and more treats. Now I'm gonna count how many I have so far. That's nowhere near enough. That is 16 days and we need 60 days worth of food. So I'm gonna have to do some bigger silicone bags and make sure that I have enough for at least up until we get to California. And then in California, I can order maybe a small bag of her food and just get it delivered there. And that's that. I think I'm gonna take one of these too. Toothbrush, toothpaste. This is a little toy with, you can put treats inside and then she can play with it to pass the time. I think this is it. Oh my God, finally. So here's everything for Lucy, her sleeping bag, and these two things. And then more food, as I said. And that's packing for Lucy Lou for a 2-month cross-country trip.